Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to crop a shape in Excel. Okay. First of all, insert the shape. Insert shape. Select any shape. Okay. Okay. Now see this shape. Crop this shape. Double click shape. Right click mouse. Edit points. Okay. Now see this edit shape point or hold shift crop. Another way to crop a shape, right click mouse, size and properties, height, weight, rotations, scale, height. Okay. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.